Yeah. Hey Pratap, you're on camera now.
Okay.
So Pratap visited me for what, one day?
More than a day.
More than a day, I should say 1.5 days, and he was with me for in Des Moines, and we went through. I explained to him a few things, and he will summarize some of the items. Like it's basic math, but it's about the intuition behind certain things. So Pratap, what are the things that we went through?
The first thing is how a power 0 equal to 1.
Okay.
I know the formula, but I don't know the
Why?
what is the logic behind it. I mean, why a power 0 is 1. So usually a power 0 is something. Power means we try to multiply the base that many times, but we don't have a base at power at all here. Since it is 0, then why we are getting a 1? Okay, that's my question. So Mahanti helped me to guide through the mystery of why a power 0 equal to 1. And then the next thing is why we need to use the integration. Integration is something we already, I had used it already while I was in plus 2 intermediate, and I also got very good marks in that paper, around 73 out of 75. But I don't know why to use integration and
How it works?
how it works. The inner
The logic, the intuition, the logic,
around the integration. So
how the formulas come together to make the magic, right?
Magic, that's correct.
I'll try to put a video about that later on. Okay,
Yeah.
what else?
So that basically integration is to find the area under a curve. Why we need to find area under a curve, and
How do we find it?
How do we came to that point? So the integration could help in finding area under a curve. So all these mysteries were
We talked about it.
Yeah. So and then
Basically, I explained the link between differentiation and integration, and how you can get integration from differentiation, and how from integration you get back. That's the link, and
we
demystified it.
We did a video on that as well.
We will upload that soon. Okay.
Yeah, and then the next thing is like he explained about a plus b whole square.
In a graphical
manner. We already knew how algebraically we can deduce a square plus b square plus 2ab from a plus b whole square, but in a pictorial or a graphical way he explained how a plus b whole square equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab.
We gave a
Similarly,
visually
represented. Similarly, we also
talked about
a square
minus b square.
A square minus b square equal to a plus b into a minus b. So it gave me it as an assignment for me. So I was able to figure it out through graphical representation. After that, he also gave me
A minus b whole
the
square.
a minus b whole square, and I also did that. The main key takeaway here is how we can convert an irregular shape into a rectangle. That is the whole thought behind it. That was the key thing. And he also said me one most important thing: when you multiply something, that means you are trying to find an area. So this was the key thing to solve that a plus b, a minus b whole square equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. So I got very excited,
And we also went through another formula, right? 1 plus.
And the next thing is the main sum of the n numbers.
Sum of n numbers up
Yeah.
to 1 plus 2 plus
1
3
plus
up
2
to
plus
n.
3 up to n. So we can we can algebraically we can get the formula n into n by n plus 2 n into n plus 1 by 2 as a result. But if you want to graphically explain that, so he told me to take, if you are trying to add up 1, 2, 3, 4, he told me to take one square box and put 2 square box adjacent to 1 square box, and put 3 square box adjacent to 2 square box. It forms like a steps.
Yes.
So that way, and converting that irregular shape into a rectangle is the key thing to solve this problem. So yeah, that's very fascinating to know for the first time. I enjoyed it a lot, and we also went through 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square, basically sum of n square numbers. So yeah, that's the whole thing that I have learned. So yeah, these are the.
And then I took him for lunch. I also
Yeah.
cooked for him. So, but yeah,
We went to a mall.
Yeah, yeah,
Had a biryani,
yeah.
and then yeah.
Anyway, so it
Thank
was
you-
not
thank you
not
for,
only math, but I made sure
Yeah.
we had a good time as well. All right,
Yeah.
thanks,
Thank you,
Pratap.
Mahandi, for hosting me. Thank you
Okay,
very much.
yeah, thanks, nice. You're always welcome.